The dark side of consumerism. How it can lead to financial ruin. Hey everyone, it's Alec from Financial Success Secrets. In this video, I'm going to talk about the dark side of consumerism and how it can lead to financial ruin. Consumerism is the idea that we should constantly buy and consume products in order to be happy and successful. While it can be tempting to buy the latest gadgets or fashion items, it can also be incredibly dangerous for our finances. The first danger of consumerism is that it can lead to overspending and debt. When we're constantly buying things we don't need, we can quickly rack up credit card debt and other loans, leading to financial stress and even bankruptcy. The second danger of consumerism is that it can lead to a never-ending cycle of dissatisfaction. When we buy things we don't need, we may feel a temporary high, but it's never enough. We're always looking for the next new thing to buy, and this can lead to a constant feeling of dissatisfaction and never feeling truly happy or content. The third danger of consumerism is that it can harm the environment. When we buy and consume too much, we create a lot of waste and contribute to environmental problems like pollution and climate change. So, what can we do to avoid the dangers of consumerism? The first step is to be mindful of our spending habits. Ask yourself if you really need something before you buy it, and try to only buy things that are truly important or necessary. The second step is to focus on experiences rather than things. Instead of buying the latest gadget or fashion item, consider investing in experiences like travel or learning new skills. These experiences can be much more fulfilling and rewarding than buying more stuff. And finally, try to live a more sustainable and minimalist lifestyle. Consider buying second-hand items, reducing waste, and living a simpler, more fulfilling life with less stuff. So, there you have it, the dark side of consumerism and how it can lead to financial ruin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Success Secrets for more great content. Thanks for watching.